Hi guys, today we're at 41 Kembla Circle in Madeley. With me today is the proud owner of this lovely home, Stephanie and team. And Baby X's, how are you guys today?
Good, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice, good. So what's the plan moving forward?
We just wanted to be a bit closer to work.
Yeah.
Just otherwise we pick him up way too late from daycare, and it's basically bedtime.
Okay. Cool. Yeah. So would you like to talk to us a little bit about your home?
Yep. So we've been here dead on 4 years nearly. It's a really nice location. It's a really nice house. It's a nice quiet little bit of the street.
Yeah.
And the master bedroom is so nice.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. And yeah, what about you mentioned that you got a lovely ensuite. Yeah, that's been renovated.
Yeah,
isn't
no,
it?
the ensuite's been renovated, the guest bathroom's renovated, and the kitchen's had all the marble tops redone.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, fantastic.
It's in the nice pale colour.
Oh, you love that, don't you? Yeah. And Tim, what about your part? You know, which part of the home that you really like?
I like the bedroom because it's really big.
Yeah.
It's very spacious. So plenty of room to move around in.
Awesome.
And I also like the garage because it's got a nice little corner which is a little storage space.
Yes.
You
Yep.
can put all your little bits and bobs.
Yeah. Good stuff.
So it's really handy.
Yeah. And the outside, I'm sure you know you have guests over. I remember once or twice I see plenty of guests and having barbecues and mates over for drinks and things like that. Yeah.
It's a nice little area to have a good gathering with friends or family. Have a bit of a barbecue.
Yeah.
It's got the what do you call the awnings?
Yeah.
Blinds.
Blinds, which kind of good for keeping out the rain when it rains in winter, so you can still have a gathering outside.
Amazing.
And you can pull them up for
good stuff. Yeah. So and the bedroom access has got his little play area as well. I saw that while I was at the.
Yeah, he's got his tent. He's got a little couch.
Yeah.
He's got a little chair in there. He's settled. And go read a book in there sometimes.
Great, awesome. And tell us last thing. Share with us about the neighbours. What are your thoughts?
The neighbours are really friendly. They're quiet, which is nice. There's a daycare friend just over there, the back. We've got some more kids on the side. Really nice neighbours next door who will always come and say hi. Lady who walks a dog who will always wave. And then obviously like further around the corner, it's just a nice location.
Yeah, that's amazing. All right, guys, thank you very much for having me on board.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you.